South Korean Supreme Court finds Ex-Coinone Execs guilty of taking bribes to list altcoins. Tim Alper last updated July 3, 2024 at 2:30 GMT3. 1 minute read. The South Korean Supreme Court has upheld a guilty verdict for a group of former Coinone crypto exchange employees who took bribes to list altcoins on the platform. The verdict marks the end of a long legal saga. In September 2023, the Seoul Southern District Court sentenced Coinone's former general director of coin listings, surnamed Jeon, age 42, to 4 years in prison. The same court jailed an individual surnamed Kim, 32, for 3 years and 6 months. The latter is the former manager of Coinone's listing team. South Korean Supreme Court dismisses appeals. Jeon and Kim appealed the district court's verdict in the High Court, which also found them guilty. Per the media outlet Newsis, they then took their case to the Supreme Court. However, the Supreme Court upheld the original verdict, as well as both individuals' original sentences. On July 2, the Supreme Court's Second Division also upheld fines of $1.4 million for Jeon and $585,000 for Kim. The duo were found guilty of embezzlement. The court heard that Jeon received a total of about $1.4 million in crypto assets and fiat from brokers over a 2-year and 8-month period. Prosecutors explained that Jeon received the first of these bribes in 2020 in exchange for listing at least one unnamed altcoin. Execs received coins and cash to list altcoins, court hears. The court also heard that Kim received $743,000 in coins and cash over a 2-year and 5-month period. The Supreme Court also found the duo guilty of obstructing the exchange's business by manipulating the price of crypto assets on the platform. The district court judge noted in sentencing that employees in charge of exchange listings must have a strict sense of integrity and feel the need to comply with the law. As such, the court ruled embezzlement and bribery-related offenses must be punished severely. The High Court, in dismissing the appeal, stated that the defendants had passed the buck to one another. The judge noted that when considering the amount of money involved, the sentences do not seem too heavy or too light. The Supreme Court ruled that the two courts had made no errors that could have influenced the verdicts. Follow us on Google News.